Welcome to the Narrative Elements Practice Quiz. Hopefully you've watched the previous video a few times, maybe taken some notes. And what we'll do here is I will present some information, I'll give you some clues, and then you'll pause if you need to think, and then I'll go to the next page and tell you the answer and talk a little bit more about it. So let's start here. So here's the terms we'll be going over: plot, conflict, setting, characters, protagonist, antagonist, and theme. Let's start here. What is a narrative, though? The word narrative is just a fancy word for what? If you need to think about it or look at your notes, press pause. The word narrative is just a fancy word for story. It's that simple. All right, let's check this next term. These, or this term, are the living beings in a narrative. It could be a talking dinosaur, or it could be a person like you and me. What is that word that we use? Pause if you need to. Yep, you're right. It is characters. All right, next one. This is that fancy sounding word for the main character of a narrative. One clue I can give you is it's kind of long. It has 4 syllables. Think about it for a moment. Press pause if you need to look at your notes. All right, the answer is protagonist. That brings us to this next one, which is related. So maybe it'll be a little easier for you. This is the person or thing that causes the problem for the protagonist. One clue I can give you for this one is the first couple letters, the first 2 or 3 letters, are typically associated with negative things. Let's go to this next term. This one is the time and the place where the action occurs. It can be the time of year, it can be the year, it can be what the weather's like, it can be what the neighborhood's like, what time of day it is. The time and place. Pause if you need to. Yep, term is setting. Good work. This next one, it's the struggle between the protagonist and the antagonist, the struggle between the opposing forces. It's the problem that the character wants to fix or change. They can even have more than one of these. What's that word? Pause if you need to. Yep, that's right. Conflict. That is the struggle between opposing forces. When I think of conflict, I think of the word problem, the problem that the characters want to fix. All right, this next term, it encompasses everything that happens in the text or in the narrative from the beginning to the end. I think of it as the events of a story in order from first to last. What's that word? What's that word? Pause if you need to review your notes or check some resources. All right, it's plot. Good work. All right, looks like we got one more coming up. This is the central message of the narrative. It's what the author often is trying to teach the reader. You can usually get a lesson from life, and it's called this word. What would it be? Pause if you need to. And it is theme. Good work. Remember, theme um, often can be stated like a lesson, something like family comes first, love conquers all, good always wins in the end, stealing is wrong. All these would be examples of theme. Um, so watch this video a couple times. See if you can go through the whole video and get every answer correct without reviewing, and then go and do the assessment on the next page. All right, have yourself a good time reviewing.